Welcome to today's how to use your camera for beginners by Click a Pic. This is my device. I've got a Canon EOS 800D. Yours might differ, but the principalities stay the same. Next up is our batteries. I use this pouch. It's easily accessible and keep most batteries safe. In here I've got 3 fully charged batteries, 2 different brands, and for this video purpose I am going to use the Canon one. Up next, we are going to look at our storage compartment for our memory cards. I use this boxy and I've got quite a few in here. I've always keep a USB with me as well. I use between a 16 gig and a 32 gig memory card. It depends on the event, and you can easily store up to 4,000 photos on the 32 gig. Next up is how to insert your battery. At the bottom you can open the flap, put in your battery, and you are ready to go with your battery. We're going to slide the camera over to the memory slot. Luckily for this new cameras, it shows you which side to put it in. You can just slide it in and there we set. Next up is our lens cap. We're going to remove that and we're ready. We're going to switch our camera on and open our LCD screen. On here I flip it over just for safekeeping. The button on the top is for live view mode. You can use either the live view mode or the viewfinder, and the viewfinder is quite easy. Then this is your zoom in and zoom out. Next up is your shutter button, which is the most vital one. On here you can switch between the modes. You get a lot of different modes. As we go through this process, I will show you guys. The manual one is more advanced, and we will also cover that. I suggest keep it on the auto because it will focus automatically, and it will also provide you with the light of the flash if need be. Obviously, for these photos, the lighting is not correct. This is just for video purposes. The button at the bottom is to show the modes, the preview, the playback of your image. You can switch it off and close everything. I would like to remind you to take out your battery and your memory card. In the next videos, I will show you guys how to easily get access to your pictures without much hassles. Thank you for watching my video and be blessed.